Do you manage a paint shop? With the Spectral product suite, you can bring your energy bills down by 52% and your labor costs by 38%. We have developed the new KLAR 54500 clear coat for you, which can reduce the heat curing time to 15 minutes and achieve the required hardness at a mere 40 degrees Celsius. Extremely beneficial performance of the heat curing in the low temperatures helps to significantly reduce the spray booth operating costs, which have seen a massive hike recently. The KLAR 54500 offers a very high yield and produces an impeccable finish. The reduced heat curing temperature ensures the safety and longer battery life in refinished hybrid and electric vehicles. Pay up to 52% less for energy and increase your shop's workflow. Choose SPECTRAL KLAR 54500, designed for tough times.